Welcome back to the Excel Mastery Series. In this chapter, we're diving into one of the most important skills you must learn as an analyst, data cleaning, because messy data leads to messy decisions. And Excel gives you powerful tools to clean your data set in seconds. Let's jump right in. If your Excel data is stuck in one column and separated by symbols like a vertical bar, comma, or dash, don't rewrite it manually. Excel has a built-in tool that splits it instantly. Let me show you how. Step 1. Highlight the column that contains the combined text you want to split. Step 2. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon, then click Text to Columns. Step 3. In the wizard that opens, select Delimited, then click Next. Delimited means Excel will split the text wherever it finds a separator symbol. Step 4. You'll see a list of common delimiters like comma and tab. If your separator is listed, check it. If it isn't, tick Other and type your separator. For this example, enter a bar. Step 5. Click Finish. Excel instantly splits the values into separate columns based on that symbol. If your data doesn't split correctly, double-check that you typed the exact separator character. Even a space before or after the symbol can change the result. If your dataset uses short codes like M instead of male, you don't need to edit cells one by one. Excel can replace everything instantly with a built-in tool. Step 1. Highlight the column that contains the values you want to change. Step 2. Press Ctrl+H on your keyboard. This opens Excel's Find and Replace window. Step 3. In Find What type? M. In Replace with type? Male. Step 4. Click Options and check the box. Match entire cell contents. This ensures Excel only replaces cells that contain exactly M, not words like manager or medium. Step 5. Click Replace All. Excel will instantly convert all matching cells from M to male. Use this method to standardize codes like Y yes and no, F female. It's one of the fastest ways to clean messy data sets. Duplicate records can ruin reports, inflate totals, and distort analysis. Instead of manually scanning rows, Excel has a built-in feature that removes duplicates instantly. Step 1. Click any cell inside your dataset. Press Ctrl+A to automatically select the entire data range. Step 2. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Click Remove Duplicates. Step 3. A dialog box appears showing all detected columns. Select or unselect columns depending on how you want duplicates defined. Example: Select Only Email removes duplicate rows based on the email column. Or, Select Email and Employee Key removes duplicate records only when both match. Step 4. If everything looks correct, click OK. Excel instantly removes duplicate rows and shows a confirmation message with the number removed and the number remaining. Always keep a backup copy before removing duplicates if your dataset is important. When working with messy or imported data, text may contain hidden characters, extra spaces, or inconsistent capitalization. Instead of fixing these issues manually, Excel provides 3 powerful functions that clean everything automatically: clean, trim, and proper. Step 1. Use Clean to remove hidden characters. Go to a blank cell, for example E2. Type an equals sign, then type Clean and open parentheses. Select the cell you want to clean, such as B2. Close the parentheses and press Enter. Now drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to the remaining rows. Clean removes non-printable characters that often appear in data copied from systems, websites, or external files. Step 2. Use Trim to remove extra spaces. Go to another empty cell, for example F2. Type an equals sign, then type Trim and open parentheses. Select the clean cell from the previous step, such as E2. Close parentheses and press Enter. Drag the fill handle down to apply to all rows. Trim removes leading spaces, trailing spaces, and extra spaces between words, leaving only single spaces where needed. Step 3. Use Proper to fix capitalization. Go to another empty cell, for example G2. Type an equals sign, then type proper and open parentheses. Select the trimmed cell, such as F2. Close parentheses and press Enter. Drag autofill down to apply to the rest of the column. Proper converts text, so each word starts with a capital letter, making names and titles consistent. Instead of separate steps, you can clean everything with one formula. This single formula removes hidden characters, fixes spacing, and standardizes capitalization instantly. Now that your data is clean, let's keep it that way. Instead of fixing M or F later, let's force users to choose from a list. Step 1. Highlight the gender column where entries should be controlled. Step 2. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Click Data Validation. Step 3. In the Allow dropdown, select List. Step 4. In the source box, type male, female. This defines the only permitted entries. Step 5. Open the Error Alert tab. In the message box, type please select an option from the list. This message appears if someone tries to type a value that is not allowed. Step 6. Click OK. Excel now adds a drop-down arrow to each selected cell, ensuring users can only choose valid options. Use drop-down lists for fields like department, status, region, or category to standardize data entry across your entire workbook.